Oh, okay. The fight's starting already. Let's get on to the chain rule. Here we go. We're going to say the chain rule is one of, I lost my pen, system. One of the one of the most important.
I was like, going to say awesome.
It is awesome too. Fundamental derivatives. Is called the chain rule. Yes. Chains of math.
It falls down the students.
Okay, it is used, can I keep going here please? It is used to take the derivative of composite functions.
You would say it's going to change.
Alright, stop. Read, we're trying too hard now, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thinking back to advanced functions, although you guys didn't have to write the exam, you took it 2 months ago. You remember our last unit of the year was composite function. What was a composite function from advanced functions? John?
That's when you took two lovely functions and you crashed them together.
Yes, you did. Okay. And if you take a look at what I actually did here, this is what I sort of did here. I took two lovely functions and they're put together. So that's how we're going to deal with it. Okay. Going to the next page. The chain rule. Is if f of x and g of x are both differentiable functions, no, they can be taken. The derivative can be taken.
Oh, okay.
Then h of x equals f o g of x equals f of g of x. Have you guys seen that notation with the f o g? I think it's related to class. Is that it?
Oh, fog and God.
Yeah. Okay, so f o g, all it means is you have you put g of x into f of x. That's all it means. Okay. We're going to say that h prime of x is equal to f prime of g of x times g prime of x. Another way of writing this is, and this is easier for me to do because there's no h of x equals f of g of x. Let u equals g of x. And get out of the way here, and this is sort of important. This is how I remember this from 20 years ago. And this is how I do actually remember something from 20 years ago, and this is it. No, it's not. There's the proof of this is horribly complicated, so I'm not going to do it. Okay, no, it really is like this is like a bad one even for. Yeah, sure. I'm sorry. Yeah, sorry.
Was it a B equal?
You left it to you.
That's simple.
No, the proof of this is like it's not needlessly complicated, but like university will probably prove it. But going through it, it's very sloppy. Like it's not the ones we did, like the one that I was scared you guys did. It's sort of like logical and it all sort of flows. This one it isn't. Like it uses all sorts of weird things. So I'm not going to make you do it. Good. Okay. Now this one, we're going to say. So I'm going to let h of x equals f of g of x. I'm going to let u equals g of x. Okay, so someone other than John, actually it's work to Megan, I think. Megan, if u is equal to g of x, what does that change h of x into? Yeah, not f times u, but f of u, right? Does everyone see that? I just replaced the g of the x with the u. So h prime of x is then equal to f prime of u times u prime. And that's all we're saying. So you're taking the derivative of the first function with whatever the input is, and then times the derivative of the leftover part. Okay. So we're going to say the derivative, if you want it in English, here it is, the derivative of h of x is the derivative of the other function times the derivative of the other function.
What do you mean by other?
The outer function in this case is f of x, so it's the outside one. I'll go through lots of examples, say that's all I have no more notes. I have lots and lots of examples here, including one word problem. But this is like a fundamental thing here for calculus. This is one of the biggies, what we're doing today. And we're all here today, which is lovely. Oh, somebody's on it.
So you?
Oh, 24, yeah, okay, sorry. I counted 25, but it's okay, one class, and I thought, so they had a drop, so we're done. Now, those are all U's, okay?
Just have scams.
No, they don't. Not in my
Yes, they
world.
do. Yeah,
Not in
come
my
on,
world.
do it. Come on.
Not in my
You
world.
gotta start now.
No, I never will.
Why
I
not?
tell my wife this every day. I'm 35 and too old to change, right? So, yeah.
Even though it will all bring all marks up.
Sorry, that was one for you, Mrs. Sadler there.
It will bring all our marks up.
All right, here we go. Example one.
Yeah.
Are you done, by the way, on the flip? Are you done with this? Okay. Okay, let's do example one here. We're going to say if h of x equals 3x minus 2 to the 4, find h prime of x. Okay, I'm going to do this. The first method is going to be the slow way, and then we'll get to the speedy way in a second. Okay, so I'm just going to write it out so you guys understand it fully here. Okay, read. What is f of x and what's g of x? So start on the inside. What's g of x? What's the inside function going to be in this case?
Inside function?
Yeah.
3x minus 2.
3x minus 2. Okay, so that's the inside function. What's the outside function? In this case, then.
3x minus 2 is 4.
No, that's not the outside function. Close, though. Yeah, there's x to the power 4 always there. Okay, there's something to the power 4. Okay, that's what we're saying. Okay. So we're going to say here, h prime of x is equal to what? What's h prime of x going to be? We'll start with this way. What's the derivative of x to the 4th equal to? 4x to the 3. But instead of x, so it is 4x to the 3, but instead of an x, we're going to put our inside function. So everyone see that? So instead of being 4x to the 4, we're going to write, 4x cubed, it's going to be 4 times 3x minus 2 cubed. Okay, so everyone see that? What happened there? The only thing we have left to do is to do g prime of x. What's g prime of x? I'm neaten this up. Okay, the question, so I'll write this, try and be a little bit neater here for notes.
Wait, this was the slow method?
This, yeah, well, this is pretty good there. The only slow part is I wrote out the f of x and the g of x at the top, so you guys be clear what was happening. Well, I just skipped the g of x and f of x. But see how nice that is? Isn't that beautiful? This is beautiful. This is another one of these beautiful things. The problem with beautiful functions is now I can get really evil, though, okay? And I can throw, you know what I mean? I can start doing wicked things. I can start giving you questions like, should I actually do this one? No, I didn't, so. I'm going to give you guys a chance to do this one. I'll hit pause. I'll give you everyone 60 seconds to try and do this one.
60 seconds.
Yeah, this one's not too bad. I'll hit pause in the video. We're going to say if h of x equals the square root of 2x minus 1, find h prime of x. So take a minute, please. Start that one up. I will hit stop on the video.